Hello and welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted destination for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the world of commodities. Today, we bring you a crucial update on the copper market, where prices have dropped to a 2-month low, reflecting the impact of a strong US dollar and concerns over sluggish demand from China. This development has created ripples across the global base metals market, and we're here to break it all down for you. Copper prices have taken a significant hit, with both the London Metal Exchange, LME, and the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, recording steep declines. On the LME, the 3-month copper price fell by 0.5%, reaching $9,004 per metric ton, the lowest level since early September. Similarly, in China, the most traded December copper contract on the SHFE dropped by 1.5%, closing at 73,600 yuan per ton, its lowest since September 12. The decline in copper prices is tied closely to the strength of the US dollar, which recently surged to a 1-year high. This surge came on the back of former President Donald Trump's election victory, which has renewed expectations of policy changes that could impact global trade. A stronger dollar makes dollar-denominated metals like copper more expensive for buyers using other currencies, leading to reduced demand in key markets like China. Adding to these challenges are concerns about China's economic outlook. Despite the country's recent stimulus measures aimed at boosting its slowing economy, the impact has been muted, especially in the real estate sector. As one of the largest consumers of base metals, China's real estate and construction industries play a pivotal role in determining global copper demand. The sluggish performance in these sectors has amplified market concerns. Market analysts have also weighed in on the situation. Experts at Citi predict that copper prices may decline further, estimating a range of $8,500 to $9,000 per ton by the end of the year. This forecast is driven by fears of higher US trade tariffs under the America First agenda and weaker than expected Chinese stimulus efforts. Such factors have dampened hopes for a robust recovery in global manufacturing, which is now projected to remain weak through 2025. While copper has taken center stage, other base metals have also felt the pressure. Aluminum, zinc, lead, and tin recorded losses on the LME, reflecting the broader market uncertainty. Notably, nickel managed to buck the trend with a slight gain. On the SHFE, metals like aluminum, nickel, and tin mirrored the downward movement, while zinc offered a glimmer of positivity with a modest rise. These mixed movements underscore the complexity of the global metals market in the current economic climate. In summary, the copper market is navigating turbulent waters, with a strong US dollar and concerns over China's demand casting a long shadow. The broader base metals market is also feeling the strain, as investors grapple with an uncertain global economic landscape. As these developments unfold, we at Ajayastro Mini Guru will continue to keep you informed with the latest updates and expert analysis. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of commodities. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next update.